In 2009, Uyghurs peacefully demonstrated and demanded
justice from the Chinese government.
However, they face bloody crackdown. Thousands of Uyghurs are killed, arrested, tortured, and executed. But China didn't stop there. Almost 3 years now. China has since rounded up more than 3 million Uyghurs in the concentration camps. They're subject to severe torture, organ harvesting, and brutal death. Thousands of Uyghur children have been separated from their parents and removed from their homes in the process. The genocide and ethnic cleansing is implementing in occupied East Turkistan is hidden under the guise of re-education camps, vocational schools, and orphanages. Yet, the houses of Uyghurs and other Muslims are sealed, streets are emptied. Recently, Chinese government are preparing to migrate close to 10 million Han Chinese colonizers, 10 million with an M, into Urumchi City alone to occupied Uyghur houses. My brothers and sisters, therefore, we would like to organize mass protests worldwide on July 5th, 2019 to call on the world to say, never again is happening again. To wake up the humanity's moral obligation, to wake the world from spell of Chinese money, to let the world be aware of this communist China's threat on peace, democracy, and their crime against humanity. If you care about more than 25 million people in East Turkistan who may face disappeared, total vanish from this earth, if you have the courage to say never again, please join our protest. Show your support, show your love. Your voice is important, your voice is matter. Please join our protest. Show your support, show your love. Your voice is important, your voice is matter.